Back in the prerequisites section, we're going to download both these PBIX files, the sales demo dev and the final. Quick little hint, they're both the same file, different suffixes. So go ahead and click those, download those now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the setup section where we talk about uploading these into the Power BI service. So if you do have a workspace already with premium or premium per user, that's fine. If not, we'll go ahead and talk through that as well. So here we're going to do the new upload a file. We're going to select that final that we had just talked about. So we're going to select the local file and now the sales demo final. Press OK, get that uploaded. Now starting to see that it's being imported into our workspace. If you're on the desktop, home, publish, just the same process. So we'll give the spinning wheel here just a quick moment, kind of wake up here for us now. And there we go. So we now have our contents in our workspace, and just an important call out here. So if you see at the very top our name, it does not have that premium diamond. So on the right hand side here, we're gonna go to our settings, go to our premium. So if you do have the ability to enable a capacity, you can go to press this toggle. Choose the available capacity. So if you already have an existing node, you can select that, or just the premium per user option. I'm gonna go ahead and select that here now, get that option. And then the important part here though, at the very bottom, so this is our XMLA endpoint. It's the extensible markup language for analysis. This is where we can go ahead and connect live to our model. So I'll go ahead and press copy. And then we are good to go with the Power BI service. So moving on now to ALM Toolkit. You can go to your Windows, search for it just within your kind of operating system. Ignore this splash screen here now for connections. Just go ahead and cancel. The important part is going to be our options. So we'll click on this setting here now. Multiple things already selected here for you. If you'd like, you can deselect some. Some are relevant just for kind of the walkthrough. I'm going to enable a few here if you don't mind. Obviously, display warnings is definitely an important one for our table updates, retaining partitions. So yes, if we are doing some type of incremental up and refresh up in the service, we do want to maintain those. We don't want to rebuild those if we don't have to. So let's go ahead and select this option now. Once again, retaining the only refresh policy based partitions. If we'd like, we can go ahead and select that. Display warnings for measure dependencies. Yes, definitely important. And then here at the very bottom, we've got processing options. We'll talk about that here just the very kind of tail end. Leave it as default for right now, but process only affected tables. It's really only the tables that we're making changes to. So let's revisit this kind of processing options now. So we've got 4 different options. So we've got recalc, default, do not process in full. A recalc is just in the event where we're not making any changes, potentially to our underlying model. It's just purely rebuild the hierarchies, relationships, calculated columns, just due to a change that has occurred. Default, just kind of let ALM Toolkit decide how to kind of handle that balance. What to update, what to change, what not to do. Do not process, that's going to be just your metadata only deployment. You won't do any additional processing kind of after the fact. And then a full is just going to be reprocess everything within my model. More information available just on Microsoft Docs. Please read those.